glasses always in the back. Comic books and video games never on the track. But one day I saw this Brazilian Ripper fly. Bob Burnquist carving bowls made me wanna try. Grabbed a board from the garage, scraped my knees raw. Mom says slow down kid, but I just wanted more. Ramps felt like home, concrete was my throne. Every slam, every bruise, I never felt alone. Shredding the impossible, spinning through the air, landing tricks that no one's ever dared. Crowds going crazy, cameras flashing bright. I own the vert, I own the night. Yeah, I'm that kid who turned the pain to gold. Every drop, every grind, every story told. Hit the set of Police Academy for a little cameo. Skater kid, almost double for spade, but puberty said nah kid. Gleaming the cube, loads of Dogtown XX stunts too. Invented the Madonna, the rodeo flip, the stale fish crew. Ollie 540s backside, hurricane, very ill. Heel flips clean, X Games gold after gold. Perfect run, 97-50 scene. Then in 99 the whole world held its breath. 2.5 spins, 11 tries, I cheated dead. Shredding the impossible, spinning through the air, landing tricks that no one's ever dared. Crowds going crazy, cameras flashing bright. I own the vert, I own the night. Yeah, I'm that kid who turned the pain to gold. Every drop, every grind, every story told. 40 years later, still lacing up the shoes. 57 and I'm learning brand new moves. Built the parks, dropped the games that changed the game. Skate park, project worldwide, forever in the frame. Shredding the impossible, still spinning through the air. I'm the one who broke the records, the one who didn't care. They call me a nerd, now they scream my name. Every kid on a board knows this is my claim. I'm the Birdman, yeah, I'm Tony Hawk. Still flying high, forever on the block. Birdman, Tony Hawk. Still shredding, still rising. The Birdman, forever.